The James Webb Telescope is a powerful instrument that has the ability to study the atmospheres of planets in our solar system and beyond. In this video, we'll explore how the James Webb Telescope is helping us better understand the atmospheres of planets and what this research could mean for the future of space exploration. The James Webb Telescope is equipped with a suite of advanced instruments, including a near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, and a mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, that can detect and analyze the chemical composition of planetary atmospheres. Studying the atmospheres of planets is important because it can give us clues about the composition and history of these planets. By analyzing the chemical makeup of planetary atmospheres, we can learn about the processes that form these planets and the conditions that exist on their surfaces. One of the most exciting aspects of the James Webb Telescope is its ability to observe planets in the infrared spectrum. This is important because infrared light can penetrate the clouds and haze that often shroud planetary atmospheres, allowing us to study them in greater detail. The James Webb Telescope is capable of studying the atmospheres of a wide range of planets, from hot Jupiters to rocky planets like Earth. By comparing the atmospheres of different planets, we can gain a better understanding of how they formed and what conditions exist on their surfaces. One of the most exciting areas of research for the James Webb Telescope is the study of exoplanet atmospheres. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. By studying the atmospheres of exoplanets, we can learn more about the conditions that exist in other planetary systems and the potential for habitable worlds beyond our own. The outer solar system is a vast, mysterious region that has captured the imaginations of scientists and space enthusiasts for decades. With the launch of the James Webb Telescope, we have a new tool to explore this distant realm and unlock its secrets. Equipped with advanced instruments such as a near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, and a mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, the James Webb Telescope has the ability to study the outer solar system in unprecedented detail. The outer solar system is an important area of study because it contains a wealth of information about the history and evolution of our solar system. By studying the composition and characteristics of objects in the outer solar system, we can learn about the conditions that existed during its formation and how it has evolved over time. One of the key areas of research for the James Webb Telescope is the study of icy worlds such as Pluto and the moons of the outer planets. These objects have unique compositions and characteristics that can give us insight into the formation and evolution of the solar system. The James Webb Telescope is capable of studying the composition of icy worlds in great detail, allowing us to learn about the chemical makeup of these objects and the processes that shape them. By analyzing the composition of these objects, we can learn about the conditions that existed in the early solar system and how it evolved over time. Another exciting area of research for the James Webb Telescope is the study of the atmospheres of the outer planets. These planets, such as Jupiter and Saturn, have complex atmospheric dynamics that are still not fully understood. The James Webb Telescope has the ability to study the atmospheres of the outer planets in great detail, allowing us to learn more about the composition and dynamics of these environments. By analyzing the chemical makeup of these atmospheres, we can learn about the processes that drive atmospheric circulation and weather patterns on these planets. Equipped with advanced instruments such as a near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, and a mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, the James Webb Telescope has the ability to study the surface of Mars in unprecedented detail. Mapping the surface of Mars is a critical area of research because it allows us to learn more about the geology and history of the planet. By studying the surface features and composition of Mars, we can better understand its past and present, and even the potential for habitable environments. One of the key areas of research for the James Webb Telescope on Mars is the study of mineralogy. Different minerals can tell us about the conditions under which they formed, as well as the evolution of the planet over time. The James Webb Telescope can detect and identify minerals on the surface of Mars that are not visible to other instruments. This can give us new insights into the geology and history of the planet, such as the presence of water and the potential for past or present microbial life. Another important area of research for the James Webb Telescope on Mars is the study of the planet's atmosphere. Mars has a thin atmosphere that is vulnerable to the solar wind and other external factors, making it a challenging environment for life. By studying the composition and behavior of the Martian atmosphere with the James Webb Telescope, we can learn more about the planet's habitability and potential for supporting life. This can help inform future missions to Mars and guide our search for life beyond Earth. Equipped with advanced instruments such as a mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, and a near-infrared camera, NIRCAM, the James Webb Telescope is capable of studying comets and asteroids in unprecedented detail. One of the key areas of research for the James Webb Telescope on comets and asteroids is the study of their composition. Different materials on these objects can tell us about the conditions under which they formed and how they have been affected by external factors such as radiation and impacts. Another important area of research for the James Webb Telescope on comets and asteroids is the study of their activity. Comets and asteroids can undergo a variety of processes, such as outgassing and fragmentation, which can tell us about their internal structure and behavior. Planetary alignments occur because all the planets in our solar system orbit the Sun in roughly the same plane. From our perspective on Earth, we can sometimes see them line up in a straight line or form a triangle in the sky. These events are visually stunning, but they have no significant impact on Earth or the planets involved. Planetary alignments are actually not that rare. They happen every few years, but they're not always visible from Earth. To see a planetary alignment, you need to be in the right place at the right time, and the planets need to be positioned correctly. One of the most famous planetary alignments in history occurred in 2000, when Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn all appeared in a line across the sky. This alignment was visible from Earth and was a spectacular sight to behold. Planetary alignments are not just beautiful to look at, they also have scientific significance. By studying planetary alignments, scientists can learn more about the positions, movements, and orbits of the planets in our solar system. Another notable planetary alignment occurred in 1962, when Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn formed a triangle in the sky. This alignment was visible from Earth and was used by scientists to study the atmospheres of these planets. Planetary alignments have been observed for centuries, and they've been the subject of many myths and legends. Some people believe that planetary alignments have a significant impact on Earth, but there's no scientific evidence to support this claim.